Hey everyone, Allyson Berger here, and we are on a college campus right now giving out free golf cart rides to students in exchange for answering a few questions. So let's go find someone to talk to, shall we? Excuse me, do you have a few minutes?
Sure.
Hi, how are you doing? I'm Allyson, what's your name?
I'm Stefia.
We're talking about banking and finances.
I actually work at a bank.
Do you?
Yeah.
All right, Steffi, so tell me, do you know what overdraft is?
I actually do not.
I was just learning this the other day.
An overdraft is a transaction that causes your account balance to drop below zero. Debit card purchases, checks, automatic bill payments, online purchases. There are a lot of ways to accidentally overdraft if you're not paying attention.
I think I've experienced that once with my debit card when I took out a bill and I didn't have enough and it overdrafted.
Keep your own record of all credit card transactions, online purchases, ATM fees, automatic bill payments, and subscription fees. Does that help you budget now?
Yeah.
Have you learned from that experience?
Yeah, I have learned. I've always tried to keep a certain amount. It's hard, but you don't want that to keep happening.
Do you know if your bank offers you an overdraft protection policy?
Yeah, they do.
Some banks offer overdraft protection programs. This usually involves a second account that automatically covers you if an overdraft happens. A little time now can save you a lot of trouble in the future.
Be on top of your stuff, because if you're unaware about certain things that are built to your accounts or whatever, it happens.
The companies don't care, so I have to care,
Exactly.
So, yeah.
Thank you so much for
Thanks
spending some
having
time
me.
with me, Joshua.
Yeah, I'm on my break, and this was a really productive thing to do. Thank you so much for approaching me.
Thank you.
Bye. Hey, you know what we should go do? Let's go download some budgeting apps, because this whole golf cart thing, it's costing me an arm and a leg. I'm Allyson, signing off from campus. See you soon.